Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yesterday we have done 5 problems. Today let us solve the sixth problem. The sixth problem is 0e minus b minus e 0 minus c b c 0. Let us take LHS. So LHS is equal to 0e minus b minus e 0 minus c. Then b c 0. This is on LHS. We have to prove that the value of the determinant should be 0. Then here let us change R1 changes to R1, R1 changes to CR1, means we have to multiply R1 with C. If you multiply C with C, 0 AC, then minus BC it will become. Then you have to write the second row as it is, 0 minus C, BC 0. Then again change the row 1 changes to R1 minus BR2. R1 minus BR2 means we have to multiply with B to R2. Then what happens? So here, so I have to multiply. So 0 minus of B into minus A means, so row 1 AB, it will become AB. Then R1 is AC minus 0, means we are getting AC only. Again, so here, then here next element is minus BC minus BC minus of B into minus C, then minus BC plus BC get cancelled, you are getting the value as in 0. Then here minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Then we can remove the common as an A here in the first row. In the first row, take common A in row 1. If you take common in row 1, then what happens here? A, then BC 0 minus A 0 minus C, then BC 0. So if you observe the determinant, so row 1 and row 3 are identical. Using property 3, the property 3 says the determinant value, if two rows or two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant will be 0. Then that is equal to 0, that is equal to RHS. Let us go for the next problem, seventh problem. Prove that minus A square AB AC BA minus B square BC CA CB minus C square is equal to 4A square B square T square. So let us take LHS here. Very important question. So yeah, LHS is minus A square AB, then AC BA minus B square BC, then CA CB, then C square. So this is an LHS. So in this LHS, you see the row 1, row 2, row 3. So in row 1 we can remove the common as an A. In row 2 we can remove the common as an B. In row 3 we can remove the common as an C. So take common from A R1, R2 and R3. If you remove common A as in common, A in the second row, B, then C. If you remove common ABC, minus A, B, C. Then here A minus B, then C. Then in this third row, A, B minus C. If you observe this determinant, again we can remove the common. Take common from column 1, column 2 and column 3. A, B, C we already removed again. A was common from column 1, B from column 2, then C from column 3. So what is the remaining? 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So again if you add, so here we can write before that. So if you observe this determinant, R1 is added with R2 means you are getting here R1, R2 means here R1 will be changes to 0. Then again R1 plus R2 second element, then we are getting the 0. Then again we are adding the third element with R2 means we are getting 2. So let us write here R1 changes to R1 plus R2, then ABC here, ABC is the, so ABC into ABC means we can write A square, B square, C square. Then if you are adding R1, minus 1 plus 1 means 0, 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 means 0. Again here 2, then second row as it is 1 minus 1, then 1, then 1, then 1 minus 1. Now we can expand this one. So A square, expand row 1, expand R1. So here A square, B square, C square, you are expanding here. So 0 in the first element, 0 means all the elements are 0, minus next element is also 0 and it is also 0, third element is 2. Then third element is 2 means we have to leave this one. We have to find the value of this determinant. Then 1 into 1 is 1, 1 minus of minus 1 again here. So A square, B square, C square, then 0 minus means 0, 0. You can leave the 0 here. So here 2 of 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 4A square, B square, C square. This is an RHS. Let us go for the next problem. In the eighth one, first problem. 1A, A square, 1B, B square, 1C, C square is equal to A minus B, B minus C, then C minus A. Let us take an LHS. LHS is 1, 1, 1. A, B, C, then A square, B square, then C square. This is an LHS. So now, let us observe this determinant. If you observe this determinant, see, we can change the R1 as R1 changes to R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3. So if you change R1, 1 minus 1 is 0, A minus C, then A square minus C square. So this is the R1. You have to write as it is R2, 1B, B square, 1C, C square. Then if you change R2 changes to R2 minus R3, then 0, A minus C, A square minus C square, then 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, B minus C, then B square minus C square, then 1 C, C square. So this is the R3. So we should get the answer here. RHS is B minus C, C minus C. So we can remove the common in the second row as in B minus C. Then in the first row there is A minus C is there. So A minus C we can write it as, so let us write first, expand that one in the determinant. So A is there, sorry, 0 is there, A minus C is there, then A square minus C square can be written as A plus C into A minus C we can write. It is in the form of A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B. And again this one we can write B minus C. Again we can write this one B plus C minus into B minus C. Then third as it is C, then C square. So easily we can remove the common in the second row B minus C. B minus C we can remove. Then the remainder is 0 A minus C. Here A minus C we can remove the common here, minus means we should get in the RHS C minus A, so that, so here remove here, so minus as in common. If you remove the minus as in common, you are getting here C minus A. Then write A plus C as it is, A plus C as it is. In this remove the common as in minus, remove means we can write C minus A, C minus A. Then 0 here, I already removed the B minus C means 1 is there. Here B plus C is the remainder. So third row as it is 1 C, C square. So now you can remove the B minus C, then C minus A as in common. If you remove C minus A as in common, then what is the remaining here? 0 minus 1. Then here if you multiply with minus, you are getting minus A minus C, then 0, then 1 B plus C, then 1 C, C square you are getting. So here we can here change R1 changes to R1 changes to R1 plus R2. If you change R1 changes to R1 plus R2 means, so B minus C, C minus A, here 0, here then again 0, then minus A minus C plus B plus C means plus C minus C get cancelled. Again your remaining thing is minus BA. You can write minus BA or minus A plus B. Again second row as it is 1 0 1 B plus C, then 1 C, C square. So expand column 1. Expand column 1. So B minus C as it is, C minus A, C minus A. Then you are expanding column 1 means 0. So then minus 0, then plus 1. Plus 1 means you have to leave this one. So this into this is 0. This into this is 0. Okay. So 0 minus of B minus A. Then B minus C, C minus A, minus into plus minus, then minus B plus A. You can write B minus C, C minus A, then A minus B. So the required answer is A minus B, B minus C, then C minus C. This is an RHS. So let us go for the 8th problem in 8th second one. 1 1 1 A B C A cube B cube C cube is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. So let us take LHS here. LHS is 1 1 1 A B C A cube B cube C cube. So you have taken LHS here. So column 1 changes to column 1 minus column 2. Column 1 changes to column 1 minus column 2. So 1 minus 1 is 0, A minus B, then A cube minus B cube. So again 1 B cube, then 1 C cube. Next column 2 changes to column 2 minus column 3. So if you change column to 0 a minus b, a cube minus b cube, then here 0, 0, then b minus c, b cube minus c cube. And column 3 as it is 1c, then c cube. So here we can write this here 0, first row 0 1, 0 a minus b, then it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, means there is a formula a cube minus b cube means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula you should remember. So you have to apply here. So we can write the formula here a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula. Then again, so again column 0 b minus c, again apply the formula b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square. Then write the third column as it is 1c, then c cube. So if you observe here, the first row has 0 0 1, 0 0 1. Now here in this we can remove the common, take common from column 1 and column 2. Take common from column 1 and column 2. So if you take common here a minus b, then b minus c as in common, what is the remaining thing here? 0 1, then a square ab b square, then 0 1 b square plus bc plus c square, then 1c c cube. Now you can expand here. If you expand row 1, expand row 1, a minus b, b minus c, then 0 minus 0, then plus 1 into, so you have to leave this one. So if you leave this one, so this into this means b square plus bc plus c square minus of a square plus ab plus b square, then a minus b, b minus c, here 1 is there, open the bracket here, b square plus bc plus c square minus a square minus ab minus b square. So plus b square minus b square get cancels. Then a minus b, then b minus c is the remaining thing. So yeah. So you can pair it here. So what we can pair it here, BC minus AB, BC minus AB means C minus A are getting, again here you can write C square minus A square. So in this A minus B, B minus C, then you can remove the common as in B here. If you remove common B, C minus A, here you can write it is in the form of A square minus B square means C plus A into C minus A. So again A minus B, B minus C, then you can remove the common as in C minus A in this. What is the remaining thing here? B, then plus C plus A, that is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, then A plus B plus C, that is equal to RHS.